Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click like and subscribe. These took me 8 hours each to print on my 3D printer, and I will leave the link for the design that I used down below. And I'm going to use some folk art chalk paint in the colour Cascade, and I'm just going to paint. I'm going to make the same side of each square this colour. And then once you're finished, it will look like this. And then I'm going to do the same for the next side of the squares, and I'm going to use some chalk paint in the colour Elephant. And you can use whatever colour paints you want, whatever kind of paints. I'm using chalk paint because that's what I have in the colours that I want. And I end up giving it 2 coats of paint, and I only paint 2 sides of the squares, and I leave the other one blank because I don't want any colour to show through on that side. And I got these Rhinestone Sheets on Amazon, and I will leave a link down below in case you want to purchase them. And I got the colours Silver, a Lake Blue, and AB Crystal. Can't remember there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure and cut the size of the squares, and you will need 30 squares for each side, or each colour and each side. So these rhinestone sheets are self-adhesive, so once you've cut them to size you can just stick them down. I did end up cutting some a little bit too big, so I just trimmed them, and it's better cutting them too big than too small. and when you are finished it will look like this. And I got these mirror tiles in Dollar Tree and they are 5 inches by 5 inches, and all I'm going to do is clean them with some alcohol and then glue down the bookends with some hot glue. Here is the finished project. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out my other videos.